In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in a channel in Slack. Sending a message in a Slack channel is one of the most basic and important ways to communicate with your team. Channels help organize conversations by topic, project, or department. So instead of messages getting lost in private chats, everyone who needs the information can see it in one shared place. That makes updates clearer, collaboration faster, and communication more transparent. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your Slack workspace using a web browser. Once Slack is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Slack organizes your main navigation, including your direct messages and your channels. Under the channels section, you'll see a list of available channels. Take a moment to scan through that list, then click on the channel where you want to post your message. This could be a general team space, a project channel, or any other shared conversation that fits your update. After you select the channel, the conversation history for that channel will appear in the main center area of the screen. Now move your attention to the bottom of that window. You'll see the message composer, which is the text field labeled with something like message, followed by the channel name. Click inside that field to place your cursor there and activate the editor so you're ready to type. Next, draft your message directly in the text box. Keep your message clear and easy to read, especially if you're sharing an update with multiple people. If your message is longer and you want to start a new line without sending it by accident, press Shift and Enter on your keyboard. That lets you create spacing and structure your message more neatly. You can also use the toolbar options below the message field if needed. For example, you can format text, insert code snippets, or add emoji to make your message more expressive or easier to understand. If you need to get the attention of a specific teammate in a busy channel, type the @ symbol followed by their handle. That sends them a direct notification and can help make sure they don't miss something important. Before sending, quickly review your message to make sure your wording, links, and any mentions are correct. When everything looks good, click the send icon in the bottom right corner of the message box or simply press enter on your keyboard. Your message will then be posted live in the channel for everyone in that conversation to see. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.